Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Degenreborn token. Ticker symbol is Degen. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Degenreborn token. So this token is being listed on a central exchange called Mexc Global. Listing time will be April 20th. April 21st, 6 o'clock UTC time. They have a Kickstarter event, and that goes on April 20th. You can get involved with that. You can find the info about the Kickstarter event on Mexc Global's Twitter, which is at Mexc_global. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol Degen, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is Degenreborn? It says, we ape for irresponsibility, we chad for 1000% yearn, and we poop on FDVs. We are sick and tired of being ripped off for our legitimate degeneracy. Imagine walking into the crypto market in 2017 with $1 million in USDT in your pocket. Imagine buying 100,000 worth of Doge back in 2017, getting that nice 100 times return all-time high, and walking away with $10 million in cash. Imagine paying gas fees to mint a Bored Ape Yacht Club in 2021. Now it's 2023 and I'm flipping burgers, it says. Only in this life, in Degenreborn, we make comebacks at 'em and rise to glory of Degens. Degenreborn is a game combining CT meme and fun, mahjong-like deep strategy. Play Degenreborn at degenreborn.xyz. If you died tragically early, considering buying some talents and attributes, live an eventful life and earn Degen tokens, check out the leaderboard, see where you are among the Degen whales. All protocols, income, and purchases goes live into the Degen jackpot and will be given back to the Degen players. What we can do with Degen, well, we could stake them on the top 10 leaderboard, get BNB, ETH, Matic, OP, and Degen hourly airdrops, and at the end of the season, 10 random incarcerations on the leaderboard will be chosen to share the entire Degen jackpot. The higher the total value locked, the higher the chance. Owners of the chosen incarcerations also get a decent share. Enough said. You want details? Read on. So they have a whole bunch of info about that on their white paper here. It's kind of like crazy degenerate language on here when you're reading it. It's kind of, the grammar's off, but it's, on purpose, hopefully. Play Degenreborn, irresponsible aping and incurable degeneracy. So it says the gameplay, how you play is you buy BNB as a ticket to start playing. Buy some talents and attribute points. By default, you get 3 talents and 10 attribute points. Talents are generally cheaper than attribute points in advanced levels. All BNB spent goes into the Degen jackpot. See the jackpot page for a breakdown. Select talents for this incarceration and allocate attribute points. We also try to retrieve names from the social circle to add some spice. Off you go. Life unfolds. Most events are uncontrollable, and life and like the market, that is also uncontrollable. You will be presented with your life score, and ERC 721 will be minted representing incarceration like a tomb. Yes, it's tradable. Whoever has the ERC 721 is the owner of that incarceration. So they have a season, goes by seasons. At the final of the season, the jackpot is distributed. As the new season starts, tweaks of the rules will be added to the season to break down any possible equilibrium or optimized strategy. Market never repeats itself, it just rhymes. The duration of the season at the beginning will be around 7 to 14 days. The exact duration and ending will be determined by mechanisms such as a piggy bank. So you get the idea. It goes over the piggy bank and the hourly jackpot reward summary. If we skip down to the Degen token, it says there will be burns. So first of all, the key utility of Degen is to win airdrop jackpot rewards, which grant both Degen tokens and the native tokens like BNB. Degen will be used for future game modes of Degenreborn as well. So there's a burning mechanism. When you stake tokens, it'll be burned out of supply. And basically, token allocation is split up. 9% goes to the Degen lab, 1% beta airdrops, 1% P12 holder airdrops, 5% Degen DAO treasury, 4% marketing and collab, 2% contributors, 4% strategic investors, 35% Degenreborn game rewards, 35% reserved for future game modes. So they have the NFTs, the Degen 2009 NFTs. Like some of them are like CZ, Satoshi, Vitalik, all different people on there. You can increase your Reborn rewards with the NFT, reduce purchase cost, innate attribute buff, extra life, more talents and rarer talents, all sorts of different things here. So there's burning, there's leveling up, action points, merges, Degen airdrops. You can get a Dokwan NFT, all sorts of different ones on here, all different people. We got, of course, the FTX guy, Sam, over there. We got Wojak, Pepe, of course. Check out my video I just uploaded about Pepe. New Mexc global listing as of yesterday, the Pepe token. And then they also have the Tomb NFTs. You can check out those. Just how to play, all that type of stuff's on here. Check it out on their roadmap too, I believe. Yeah, their roadmap is on here. Talks about when the game NFTs blockchain is going to be fully on chain eventually. Yeah, check it all out. Degenreborn.gitbook.io. You can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code. This will be available April 20th, which is today. Sorry, I keep saying April 20th. The Kickstarter event is today, April 20th. Trading opens tomorrow, 6 o'clock, April 21st. So check out that Mexc referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Degen? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.